Hello, eager learners, and welcome to week 3 of English 235, Technical Writing. As we go into this week, we will be working on abstract and summary, which is exciting. So this week is all designed to support your success in the assignment due on Sunday. So this week you're going to start working on the abstract and summary assignment. You're going to read the excerpt in Markle's text about newsletter articles and abstracts. If you have the 12th edition, you'll find that on pages 173 through 175. If you have a different edition, go ahead and use the index and the table of contents to find abstract and newsletter articles. The information will be pretty much the same, as not a lot changed from edition to edition besides for the page numbers. Then we're going to be working on the abstract and newsletter article throughout the week, and you'll be turning that in on Sunday. Remember, the great thing about this calendar is that you can just click on the assignments and it links you to the information you need. If you click on this title here, it will take you to the assignment. So if we go into our assignments, you guys are working on abstract and summaries. Here are the instructions for that. I have a web page designed to help you be successful here. So go ahead and start the lesson. Click through lots of really good supplemental resources to help you understand the concepts, to get better practice with them, and to be really well prepared to turn in your work on Sunday. This is a two-part assignment, so do make sure to complete both parts. We have an informative abstract based on an article called Eyeing Myopia you'll download here. This should be 100 words long. Then you'll be writing a newsletter based on an article called Workplace Differences Are Often Just a Matter of Style. You'll be writing your information. All of this should be in APA format. And this article should not exceed 250 words. So do make sure to be using your word count and include that word count in your assignments. If you go into the modules tab, I have a whole lot of supporting material for you. Do remember that we do have extra credit opportunities. If you take your work to the CBC Writing Center, you can earn extra credit. All you have to do is send me the feedback that they give you via email, and I'll enter those points for you. If we scroll down to the abstract and newsletter folder, here is the recorded lecture. Do please watch this, as it will prepare you very well for the assignment on Sunday. I've got the prompt for you here because it's nice to have it linked a couple places. I have the article linked for you here because once again it's nice to have it a couple different places. Here's a recorded lecture about newsletter articles, so please watch both of these recorded lectures to be prepared for Sunday's work. And then I have some sample newsletters for you. Your newsletter does not need to fit this style. I just want to show you how your words could be used in a professional setting. If you're ever asked to write a newsletter, sometimes there are some fun graphic design things that go along with it. So I've got some samples for you here. And that's what we're going to be working on this week. So watch those recorded lectures, the abstracts and summaries recorded lecture, and the writing newsletters lecture. Read through Markle's text, and then work on writing your own excellent abstract and summary. If you guys have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help. Otherwise, I look forward to reading your excellent work. Have a great week, guys.